Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. So I wanted to switch up the look. Okay, y'all see me with the bob. You know, I really love long hair, but sometimes I like to switch it up because I feel like, you know, sometimes you want to look a little grown and sexy. I know I got the hoodie on, but I felt like it was cute with the brown because it has all the highlights and stuff and the low lights. So yeah, I wanted to switch up the look, so I decided to go with this bob that I got from BEEOSHAIR, and I'm gonna get right into the packaging, and then we're gonna get into the styling, the install, and everything, and then I'm gonna tell you more about this unit. So stay tuned if you would like to see this video.
Shorty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the.
Okay, let's start with an unboxing so that you can see all the content. Okay, so this here is from BEEOSHAIR, and as you can see, it comes in this beautiful pink and black packaging. The box is very reminiscent of the Victoria's Secret packaging, so elegant and beautiful and girly. So when you open it up, you get a few things inside, which is good. You get some goodies. So the first thing I got was this headband, like this bandana headband, and it's blue. The next thing I got was some hair ties. I love the extra goodies in all of these wig packages. Like, it's the best part to me. I also got some alligator clips, which are my favorite clips. These are definitely good for styling. It keeps like your hair out of the way. They also included a spandex, like just a little elastic band, just in case you want to add that to the unit for more security. They include a wig cap in the color like nude. Also, just information on the unit itself, return policy, exchanges, all that good stuff. And then this is the wig wrapped in this great packaging. Like, this is so beautiful. They really did a good job with the packaging. It's very elegant, upscale, and it makes you feel like, you know, you're getting your money's worth. So I love that. So after you take that off, your hair will be in a net for more security. And this is what the unit looks like without me washing it. It's coming straight out of the packaging. As you can see, it is brown black with like blonde highlights. It is like a frontal. Okay, it does have 4 combs as well as adjustable straps and an elastic band. So when I get my units, I like to wash them first, so that's why this hair looks all over the place. I washed it prior to filming this part of the video. Okay, I'm brushing it out, and now I'm gonna add some Design Essentials Silk Essentials oil to the hair. I absolutely love what it does for the hair. It moisturizes, it makes it smell good. It also helps if the hair tangles at all, and it definitely works as a heat protectant. Now I'm adding some Got To Be glue to my edges, and I'm just going to use that to let the wig stick on my head. Now I did put the adjustable straps, so I really did not need to do this, but I'm going to add a few baby hairs. It is definitely optional because the baby hair really isn't going to show, because I'm doing kind of like curls with kind of like a swoop bang situation going on. So I'm cutting the baby hairs, and probably normally I would do way more, like, you know, jazzing it up, because I really love and appreciate baby hairs. To me, sometimes it really just makes the look come together. But we're going to do something very simple. So I'm adding a little bit more of the Got To Be glued, and that's what I'm going to use to kind of like make my baby hairs stick down, and I'm going to mold it. So right now I always do the swoop coming from one side to the other side. To me, that just comes out really good. It looks really nice. So again, I'm just doing a few because I really don't think it's going to show. So I'm just adding like 2 to 3 on each side. So it's about 5 swoops. Okay, then I put on an elastic band around just to kind of like help it stay down. And I just did like a C part, and now I'm splitting it down the middle and the back because we are going to be curling towards the back of the head on both sides, okay? I'm gonna start with this side. You want to comb the hair out first, and then you just take that curling iron of your choice, whatever size you want, and just curl going backwards. It's so simple, easy, and to the point. Like, this is the quickest hairstyle for bobs, in my opinion. Like, you could do like straight, but curls actually add volume. It gives you a little bit more style. So I definitely wanted to go with something I haven't done in a long time. Like, I usually do like straight bobs, so I was just like, let me do a you know, one that's a little bit more elegant and kind of like, you know, grown and sexy. Even though I should have probably wore like a silk top, I think that would have looked way better with this hairstyle. So excuse that I have on a hoodie, but just try to see the vision. Just try. But yeah, I'm just gonna curl this side to that side, and now I'm skipping over to the other side, and we're just gonna curl going backwards because it's really repetitive. I don't want to make you sit here through the whole entire tutorial of me doing the same thing over and over and over. But yeah, we're just curling this side going backwards, and the other side we curled going backwards, okay? You're gonna have more volume on this side because it is a size C part, and more of the hair is on this side of the head. Okay, and we're down to like the last 2 curls. And then once you are finished with the curls, you're just going to take that elastic band off of your edges, and then you're just gonna start styling. Now you can style with your hands, you can use your fingers, you could go in with a comb or a brush, but I chose to brush it out just for a more calm down look. But if you want to preserve the curls, you could just use your fingers, okay? Or you could use the tail of the comb, but I did brush it out because I wanted more of a voluminous look, but a little more flat. Okay, so I'm just molding it, and this is pretty much all I did. Very quick and to the point. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let's get into the specs of this unit as well as my final thoughts. Okay, so I am back with the final look, and it is really grown and sexy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, but let's get right into the specs of this hair. So again, this wig is from BEEOS Hair. This is their ombre color bob lace front wig in BL 280. I'm going to read what the description says as far as this unit. So it says that this is a luxury wig styled with ombre color that fades off from natural black color on top to honey brown ends with naturally transitions of dark brown in the middle. The color technique adds depth to the hair. The color is perfect for any skin tone and great for those who want to try something lighter but not bold. I absolutely agree with that description. I think it was a perfect description. Honestly, this is one of the best like jobs that I have seen as far as like highlights and lowlights. It doesn't look choppy. It doesn't look just like, you know, blunt. It really looks like they did an amazing job and hired us a colorist, because like I just really love like the like pops of color, and then it's not just jet black, it just has that brown, low lights, highlights, you know, it has a little bit of blonde in the front, just perfect. Okay, and you can change up your parting space. I just really wanted like a deep part with like kind of like a swoop type bang. So when I saw the hair, I was like, all right, I think I'm gonna do some curls. Nothing fancy, nothing too like much, and I think it came out really good. Like the curls just look like you know, just look like tousled curls or tousled waves, and then it's this like deep kind of swoop. And y'all know I used to love the swoop. I used to do tutorials on the swoop bang all the time. So this hair texture is very silky, but I do love that the hair does not look too shiny. It looks like a medium luster. It has a very healthy shine to it. So the hair is 150% density, and honestly it does not feel like, you know, too heavy. It doesn't feel thick. I do wish that it had a little bit
bit more hair. So I would have liked this wig in 200% density, or 160 or 180 or even 190, whatever they could do in between that 150 to 200, because honestly I don't really care for 150% density. I like to have a little bit more hair on my units. However, this unit has just enough hair for the bob. It's not too much. It really looks like a natural, like it looks natural, like a natural amount of hair. Like, you know, it's not too much going on. It's gonna be low maintenance. It holds a curl, as you can see. And I done combed it out, I done brushed it out multiple times. I played around with the pattern just to see, like, you know, how I wanted to style the hair, as y'all saw. And I really do think that this hair is beautiful. So if you want to purchase this hair, I'm gonna have the links down in the bottom bar. And of course I have my own coupon code to save y'all a little bit of coins, and that coupon code is LA20. And again, this hair is from BEEOSHAIR. I would recommend it. Thus far, I absolutely love it. I think it's really grown and sexy. This wig only comes in one length, and it's not customizable. Everything is on the site, but everything is right there. Okay, so if you want this unit, it is how it is, and you're gonna get the same unit that I have. You don't have to customize it. Okay, just putting it out there. It does have adjustable straps. It does sit very nicely. I didn't go and do any plucking to the hairline, and I think the hairline was pretty good. I didn't do too much because I knew it wasn't going to show. Honestly, that's another reason why I didn't pluck the hairline. But as you can see, like, you play around with it and you could get different looks. The next time I wear this hair, I'm definitely going to do a middle part and probably just do like a really blunt bob. Like, I might even cut it. I want like a blunt bob, like right here. Like, I think I'm going to do that. I think that would look so freaking pretty with this with these colors, these highlights, just real short and straight with a middle part. I think that would look so gorgeous. But yeah, I would highly recommend this bob. I think it is so cute, especially if you're looking for the grown and sexy look. Like, it's so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna have the links to everything down in the bottom bar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely stop by because I will have more videos coming up. I love y'all, and I will speak to my next video. Bye y'all.